And with that thing, I just want to go to the topic, which is how to approach a slide, which is the most important thing as a pathologist. So screening the slide will be the main objective of my discussion. And I want to put the other objectives as what to do before the screening, what to do after the screening. And I want to introduce a term criterion. You all may be knowing what is criterion and how to use it in pathology. I want to stress it again. And again, this will be a very basic presentation. You won't be expecting any rocket sciences. I will give you some references, and I will leave it with a take-home message. And I'm going to give you one homework. And before that, let us have a pre-test and post-test. These are all 5 questions, same questions. And you will be asked answer before the discussion. And let us see how do you do. And after the discussion, let you all see how I did, because you should be doing better in the post-test. You are supposed to be. Let us see. Ganesh, go to the pre-test, Ganesh. Poll.
Okay, so we'll now start with the polls before we start with the presentation. You can see the questions on your screen right now, and please type in your answers. Can you see? I'm sure you can see the questions. The first question is, what is the criterion for adventure?
Can they hear me, Nojit?
Yes, sir, they can hear you.
Yeah, there's only one question, one response. No negative marks. Copying is strictly allowed. Be my friends.
The polling is going on.
To go to the poll section.
Rita, I'm on the webinar. I don't know. I haven't checked.
Okay, the first poll has ended. 65% have said acceptance of uncertainty. 22% have said acceptance of things beyond our control. 5% have said acceptance of good in others. And 6% have said acceptance of person as he or she is.
Super. Let us go to the second one.
So the second question is a single criterion for malignancy. Is it mitosis more than 10 per 10 high power field? Is it one atypical mitosis? Is it metastasis, or is it marked atypia? The audience is polling at the moment, sir.
I'm biting my nails and waiting for the results.
So I request the attendees to.
Poll has ended, and around 68% have said metastasis. 6% have said mitosis more than 10 per 10 high power field. 15% have said one atypical mitosis, and 9% have said marked atypia.
Great.
Now let's go to the next question. The next question is, polarity can't be assessed in. Is it spindle cell proliferation, oval cell proliferation, round cell proliferation, or rectangular cell proliferation? The polling has started.
Please note it's a negative question.
So I request all the attendees to make the vote in the poll section and not in the comments. So only if you enter your options in the poll section, that will be counted in the results. Please try to enter it in the poll section and not in the chat section. Thank you.
Okay, so this poll has ended, and 43% have said spindle cell population, 42% have said round cell proliferation, 2% have said oval cell proliferation, and 12% have said rectangular cell proliferation. Now let's go to the next question. The question is, Rosen's criteria is used in. Is it tumor margin assessment? Is it assessment of lymph node metastasis? Assessment of perineural invasion, or assessment of lymphovascular invasion? Attendees are polling. Right. So at the end of the poll, 39% have said assessment of lymphovascular invasion, 24% have said tumor margin assessment, 20% have said assessment of lymph node metastasis, and 15% have said assessment of perineural invasion. Now let's go to the last poll before we start on with the presentation.